By the end of this video, you will know how to add a test discount to an invoice in Stripe. Start by signing in to your Stripe dashboard. Before creating anything, check that test mode is turned on. This matters because the coupon and invoice you create in this session should stay in your test environment. If test mode is off, switch it on before you continue so the discount is not created in live data by mistake. Once test mode is enabled, move to the left sidebar and open Product Catalog, then select Coupons. On the Coupons page, click Create Coupon. This opens the form where you define the discount you want to use on the invoice. In the coupon setup, enter a name for the test coupon so you can recognize it later when you add it to the invoice. Then choose the discount type. You can select percentage off if you want the invoice reduced by a percentage, or fixed amount off if you want to reduce it by a set value. After that, enter the discount amount that matches the option you selected. Next, choose the duration for the coupon. Stripe will ask how long the discount should apply, so select the duration that fits the test you are running. If you need to limit how the coupon can be redeemed, you can also set any optional redemption limits available in the form. If you do not need those limits for your test, leave them as they are and continue. When the coupon details look correct, click Create Coupon to save it. Stripe will add the new coupon to your test coupons, and it will be available when you edit an invoice. Now go to Billing in the left sidebar and open Invoices. From here, either create a new draft invoice or open an existing draft invoice. The key detail is that the invoice should still be in draft status because that is where you can apply the discount before finalizing it. Inside the invoice editor, find the Discounts section. Click Add Discount, then choose the coupon you just created from the list. Make sure you select the correct test coupon, especially if there are several similar coupon names in your account. After you add it, review the invoice carefully, confirm that the discount now appears in the invoice details, and check the recalculated total. This is the point where you verify that Stripe applied the coupon the way you intended, whether it is a percentage reduction or a fixed amount reduction. Finally, save the invoice or finalize it, depending on how you want to complete your test. Keep your Stripe account in test mode while you do this, then verify that the discount works as expected on the invoice you updated. Your draft or finalized test invoice in Stripe now includes the discount coupon you created.